Our company, one of the goals that I have is to be able to integrate solar solutions into projects seamlessly for people and help them achieve that. People like to think that solar is something that you just kind of attach onto a structure like a limb. Well, it has to be integrated to work properly. It has to be well thought out. The collection system, the distribution system, and the storage system all have to work in unison to make products that everybody's happy with. The main reason that we wanted to do this house was to be able to show builders the ability to take a stock plan, modify it, and make it very, very energy efficient. What we did is we wanted to also show that it can be done on any type of lot. So we chose a lot that's only 25 feet wide by 125 feet deep. This house is approximately 1,500 square feet, about 500 square feet per floor. We have approximately a 3.8 kilowatt integrated PV system on the project. The PV system itself is actually the roofing tiles. We have a thermal system that will be allocated on the garage with an underground storage tank that will power the heating system of the house, and it's a full radiant heating system in floor. Utility bills, for all practical purposes, and a good portion of the water bills are going to be basically paid for or reduced for the life of the house. The utility bills are pretty much being prepaid. You're looking at a very minimal economic outlay by the customer over a large lifespan. So you pay for your utilities up front. We also have a very, very well thought out energy management system that's called Gridpoint. It's an inverter system that changes your PV output from DC to AC, but it also monitors the amount of energy that's come into your house, and it can tell you how much you've produced on any given day, what your peak demands are, etc. And you can look on the internet and get this information, and it's actually logged by the company that makes it. So you can go to their website, their server, and look and see what your system's done for the year, how much you've produced, how much you've used, what your peak demands are, what your peak production is, etc. It's a very, very user-friendly and high user feedback information, so you can learn things about your consumption patterns. The house itself is going to be kind of neat plumbing-wise in that it's residential gray water system. We have a company called Brac system. Basically recycles bathtub and shower water, reuses it for toilet use. The plumbing system is a PEX plumbing system, a distribution system to allow each individual fixture to have its own supply. And then that allows us to isolate the gray water system for the toilets. There's really very minimal copper. It's more of a polymer that's used, and that system being able to minimize the size requirements of the lines because they have direct path to the fixtures. And so when somebody turns on hot water, it doesn't have to go up through pipes and go to this fixture, this bath group, and over to here. It just goes directly to it and back.